Sarah wakes up early in the morning. The sun is shining through her window. Today, she plans to go to the park with her dog, Max. Sarah loves sunny days because they make her feel happy and alive. Max, her little brown dog, is very excited too. He wags his tail and barks softly. After breakfast, Sarah puts on her shoes. She takes Max's leash from the door hook. Max jumps up and down, ready to go. They walk to the park slowly, enjoying the fresh morning air. The park is not far from their house. It takes only 10 minutes to walk there. When they arrive, Sarah sees some children playing. They are flying kites in the open field. The kites are colorful and dance in the sky. Max likes the kites. He tries to chase their shadows on the ground. Sarah laughs and sits on a bench. She watches the children play and smiles. A gentle breeze moves the trees, and leaves fall like tiny dancers. Max finds a stick and brings it to Sarah. She throws the stick, and Max runs fast to catch it. He brings it back again and again. Nearby, an elderly couple walks slowly. They hold hands and talk softly. They remind Sarah of her grandparents who live far away. Thinking of them makes her feel warm inside. She wishes she could visit them soon. After some time, Sarah decides to read a book. She brought her favorite novel, a story about adventures and magic. As she reads, Max rests beside her on the grass. The world around them feels calm and peaceful. A little while later, Sarah hears a familiar voice. "Hi, Sarah." It is her friend, Emily. She has come to the park too, with her own dog, Bella. Bella and Max greet each other happily. The two friends sit together and talk. They share stories about their week and laugh at funny moments. As the afternoon sun begins to set, the park is filled with a golden glow. Sarah and Emily decide to take a walk around the park before heading home. They talk about going to the movies next weekend. Finally, it is time to leave. Sarah feels happy and relaxed. She says goodbye to Emily and Bella. On the way home, Max is tired but content. Sarah feels the same. She thinks about how a simple day can bring so much joy. Back home, Sarah makes a cup of tea. She sits by the window and watches the sky change colors. Max sleeps quietly in his bed. Sarah smiles, thinking about the nice day they had. She feels grateful for small, happy moments. Tomorrow will be another beautiful day.